Here I have Peugeot 3008 and let me show you in this example what games are available in Peugeot infotainment system. So at the very beginning, let's start by using here the app drawer. Let's just tap the app drawer. From the following list of apps, let's find your games. Under games, you've got access to all games that you can use on your Peugeot. It could be 2048, All Line for Big, Hangman, Hex, One Line Only DTD, Parking Panic, Sudoku, Tangram Puzzle, 10x10, Tic-Tac-Toe, Yatsi, Yams, and if you would like to use one of them, for example 2048, let's just tap it and you can play it right here. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.